Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money. What's up, Indelibles? Okay, so last weekend in our private Discord, we called TOPS and we actually did a video for our Discord, our private Discord, on TOPS. And then we showed it in the beginning of the week on YouTube on Monday. So our private Discord had a multi-day advanced heads up about the video on TOPS, and we said that there was a good chance, in our opinion, that TOPS was going to run. Well, it ran 200% approximately last week. Okay, we're not stock professionals. We're not financial advisors. This is not stock advice. This is not financial advice. We're just sharing with you stuff that we look for ourselves, and you need to do your own due diligence and make your own decisions. That being said, we have a great community in Discord. You can join the free Discord and hang out with the community, but if you want to get our picks that run like crazy, which we've done quite often, again, there's no guarantee that any of the picks are going to run, but we've had a lot of success. We had tops, like we said, they ran 200% last week, and we also called COSM back in the middle of October when it was 6 cents, and it ran as high as 88 cents, a 700-800% run, but who's counting, right? The 7 to 8 bagger, something like that, That's a pretty normal thing in our Discord, okay? Not a lot of fluff, not a lot of BS chatter. We just call the bangers and get to the point and get the information out. Okay, so if you want to join those, there's the private Discord, there's the public Discord. You can do that. If you're interested in IPOs, we actually have an amazing IPO Discord that's a private Discord as well. The links are in the description. You can go and check those out. Let's get into the second video on tops. We're going to include the previous video on tops here, there, wherever it's going to be. You can click the previous video, but let's talk about tops right now. Let's review the company. It's called Top Ships Inc. The ticker symbol is TOPS, Tom, Oscar, Paul, Sam. The company is a NASDAQ company, and it had a high volume of shares, a high volume of trading, not Friday, December 2nd, but the previous week, the previous Friday. And that's what kind of got us, aware of, hey, something might be brewing with this particular company. And it turns out that there was a lot of chatter on social media that there might be a short squeeze with the stock. The stock has only 3.54 million shares, which is a micro float stock, very low, so the slightest volume is going to make this stock move violently upward or downward, and in this instance it moved up pretty strong, a 200% run. Okay, it's in a pullback right now. Okay, but let's talk about the company. It's an owner of tanker vessels throughout the world. They focus on transportation of petroleum products, both clean and dirty. This is what they're saying, okay? And bulk liquid chemicals. They have 269 employees, and they're in the transportation industry sector. We talked about the float being 3.54 million, and the volume that had on Friday, 2 Fridays ago, was 583,000 shares that were trading. But the volume that they had this past Friday, December 2nd, was, ready for this, ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please, 31 million shares. And their average daily volume for the past 10 days was 9 million shares. So the volume just went absolutely berserk on this stock, and as a result, the stock squeezed to a high of $6.34, something ridiculous. We called the stock way back when, it was about $2 and change. Okay, so, the stock just went ballistic, absolutely ballistic. Again, not stock professional, not giving you advice. We're not telling you what to do. We're just sharing with you what we're looking at. It seems to be in a pullback phase. If the volume continues to go the way it's been going, I could see the stock moving again. They do have a filing, an S1 filing, so there's always the possibility that there's dilution and the price action just goes completely to the toilet. But in this market, which is a very bearish market, we are not holding long anyway. Everything for us is a day trade. We're not even swing trading because I just don't trust the market yet. Until the market shows me that it's going to go into a bullish pattern, I'm just day trading. Now, that's what I'm doing. I'm not telling you what to do. You, please do your own, whatever makes you happy. If you need to hire an expert, hire an expert. You need to hire somebody, hire somebody, okay? You want to buy it, buy it. You don't want to buy it, don't buy it. It's up to you, okay? Just telling you a little bit about where we're at, okay? The CEO did acquire 7.5 million shares when we first alerted this stock. They bought it at $1.80, and the current price now is $4.34. It was at a high of, I believe, $6.34, okay? That's what's going on. I think that there's still possibility that there might be another little squeezy with this. But again, I'm concerned about that registration. And as a result, it would simply be just a day trade for me. I need to see volume, baby. Volume equals demand. And with a micro cap with only a supply of 3.5 million shares, that's beautiful. If there were no S1 filings, I'd feel a lot safer with this stock. But I think that there might still be opportunities. We're going to keep an eye on it. Hope you enjoyed the show. Indelibles, I'm out of here. Peace. Bye-bye.